Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, we will be taking a look at 8 exciting hidden tricks and features you can do in the Google search engine. All you need to do is head on over to google.com in your web browser, and just bear in mind not all these tricks and features will work in a mobile web browser. I do recommend you use a PC or laptop to do these. And the first trick we are going to be doing is Google Gravity. All you need to do is type in Google Gravity, and we now need to go ahead and click I'm feeling lucky. And if we move our mouse cursor, there we go. That's what Google is like with Gravity. You can also move all the objects on the screen, just give them a little flick and they go flying. Number 2, we have Google Timer. If you don't have a timer around, well, today is your lucky day, because we can actually use a timer in Google. And to do this, all we need to do is simply click in the search bar and then type set timer for, and then type in the amount of minutes you want to set the timer for. For example, I want it for 5 minutes, so I'm just going to put 5. And then hit enter. And as you can see, the timer is now counting down. Number 3, we can actually flip a coin in Google. All we need to do is simply type in flip a coin, and then hit enter. It will then begin to flip a coin, and let's see what it lands on. Tails. You can then go ahead and click flip again if you want. Number 4, you can actually roll dice in Google. Don't you just hate it when you're about to play a board game and the dice are missing? Well, today's your lucky day. All we need to type is roll a dice and then hit enter. And we can then select which dice we would like to use, or you can just use the normal dice. As you can see, I got a lovely 2 there. We can then go ahead and click roll again. You can also click on another dice to have 2, or you can then just remove the other one by clicking on it.
Number 5 is Solitaire, which is an awesome card game, and it's even better to be able to play it from the Google search engine. To play Solitaire is actually quite easy. All you need to do is search Solitaire in the Google search bar. So I'm just going to type it in here and press enter. And all you need to do is press play here and choose your difficulty. So I'm going to go with easy. And there you go. You can play a quick game of Solitaire in Google. Number 6 is Google Sky. As we all know, space is huge and it's got many secrets, but if you fancy taking a look at space from Google, you can do this and it's really cool. All you need to do is go to the Google search bar and type in Google Sky and hit enter, and then click on Google Sky. And now we can have a look at space in Google, which is pretty awesome. You can check out constellations or backyard astronomy and much more. Number 7 is checking out a more classic version of the Google search engine. Have you ever wondered what Google search looked like back in 1998? To do this, all you need to do is head on over to the Google search bar and type in Google in 1998. So I'm going to just do this now and press enter. And this just gives you a view of what the Google search engine looked like in 1998. As you can see, the text is different and it's laid out a bit differently and it's more old-fashioned. If you want to compare and then go back to your normal Google search engine, just click on Take Me Back to the Present. And finally, in number 8, we have Snake. This is an awesome game and it's really fun trying to set a high score and making sure no one else can beat it. You can play this game online and in apps. If you just want a quick way to play it in your Google search engine, then all you need to do is head over to the Google search bar and type in Snake Game and press enter, and then just press on play. And if you press play again, you can now start playing Snake. And that's it for this video of our 8 exciting hidden tricks and features in Google. If there's any that you've discovered yourself, then please comment below. We hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.